Today's presentation is on Positive Reinforcement, Electronic Behavior Management Programs, or EBMPs. I'm Janelle Nunziato, and I'm from Northeastern Illinois University. Positive reinforcement derives from B.F. Skinner's theory of operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is based on Thorndike's law of effect, which says behavior that is followed by pleasant consequences is more likely to be repeated. Through an experiment using rats, Skinner found positive reinforcement strengthens a behavior by providing something an individual finds rewarding, like an incentive. There are several ways teachers can implement positive reinforcement in their classrooms. For example, if a teacher wants to increase positive peer interactions, he or she can use positive reinforcement techniques, such as praise and tokens, when students participate in positive peer interactions. Another strategy is Premick's principle, which is also known as Grandma's Law. Grandma's Law is basically, if you do this, then you get that. For example, if a student completes his or her classwork accurately and without disrupting the class, then he or she can have an extra 10 minutes on their Chromebook. Overall, the timing and delivery of positive reinforcement are essential to effectively promote desired behaviors. Both general and special education teachers want to maximize academic learning time, student engagement, and academic progress. However, they struggle with classroom behavior management. Many educators have turned towards technology to help encourage positive behavior in the classroom. Electronic behavior programs use smartphone apps and/or websites to support teachers in managing behaviors in their classrooms. Electronic behavior management programs are designed based on evidence-based classroom management strategies, such as contingent praise, performance feedback, group contingencies, and token economies. These strategies help recognize students' desired socially appropriate behaviors and work to reduce inappropriate negative behavior. Electronic behavior management programs also provide classroom structure. Research found classrooms with more structure have been shown to promote more appropriate academic and social behaviors, such as greater task involvement, proper peer interactions, helpful behaviors, and less aggression. Our first EBMP is Class Dojo. Class Dojo's website says, Class Dojo helps to create a positive classroom environment where teachers can encourage students to work hard, be kind, help others, or any other positive behavior. The program also provides students a voice by displaying and sharing their learning by adding photos and videos to their portfolios. The photos and videos can also be shared with students' parents. Students will receive green points for desired behaviors and red points for undesired behaviors. Teachers can simply choose behaviors from a list or create their own list of targeted behaviors. Then the program compiles green and red points data into weekly, monthly, and yearly percentages. Research indicates Class Dojo is an effective EBMP for increasing desired academic behaviors and minimizing disruptive behaviors. Moving to our next electronic behavior management program. Scored is a research-based self-monitoring iPad application that is designed to provide student self-monitoring for users of the Read 180, System 44, and iRead programs. The app can also be implemented during instructional activities, including whole and small group instruction, independent reading, and instructional technology. After one of these activities, both the teachers and students rate student behavior on a scale of 0 through 4. Teachers can compare their ratings with the students and can provide praise, corrective feedback, and directions on future target behaviors. Students and teachers can set behavior goals, track progress, and visually analyze data with easy-to-use dashboards. Live School is an internet application that is used to track behavior, provide feedback to students and their parents, can be used with an incentive system, can be used as a school or district data system and has been used with other behavioral interventions, such as Positive Behavior Intervention and Supports, or PBIS, Multi-Tier System of Support, and RTI. It is intended to be used by entire schools or districts. Similar to ClassDojo, Live School uses green and red points for desirable and undesirable behaviors. Teachers use Live School to track, reward, and improve student behavior, improve feedback and communication to parents, and have access to student data at any time. This brings me to my last point. To successfully implement electronic behavior management programs, teachers should first spend some time practicing the programs to become familiar and comfortable using them. Since each program stores data, teachers can monitor whether students are receiving more green points over time and fewer red points using ClassDojo and Live School. From this, teachers can make data-based decisions to change reinforcers or implement additional interventions. Another way teachers can implement these programs are informing parents by emailing or printing out aggregate data on their child's behavior in school. Also, teachers should identify the function of behavior to incorporate these programs appropriately. Also, teachers should administer preference assessments to determine those reinforcers when using electronic behavior management programs. Lastly, teachers should focus on the target behaviors that will make the most impact on promoting a positive classroom environment. By using these programs, teachers can frequently and consistently reinforce those target behaviors. That concludes today's presentation on electronic behavior management programs. I'm Nunziato. Thank you for listening.